Elon Musk predicts that Tesla could produce up to 10,000 units of Optimus by 2026, demonstrating the ambitious vision behind this revolutionary technology. The fear of robots displacing humans often arises from science fiction narratives. However, the Tesla bot aims to assist people and enhance the quality of daily life. Concerns about job displacement due to automation prompt critical discussions regarding workers' rights and the evolving role of humans in an increasingly robotic world. Musk envisions Optimus as a transformative tool that could eradicate poverty and advance healthcare, fostering sustainable prosperity for all. This vision reflects a future influenced by artificial intelligence. Optimus Gen 3 is anticipated to take on a more human-like appearance, merging cutting-edge technology with design enhancements that may blur the lines of its identity. This signifies remarkable strides in robotics. The bot's potential learning capabilities imply it could adapt and refine its skills akin to human learning, thereby increasing its efficiency in various tasks. This foreshadows a future where robots continuously evolve. Initially, Optimus may concentrate on simpler responsibilities, such as household chores and assisting in manufacturing settings, before advancing to more complex functions. This incremental approach is vital for its successful implementation. Experts assert that establishing a global force of robots will necessitate addressing numerous technical and ethical dilemmas. This underscores the complexity involved in delivering mass production and operational efficiency for Optimus. Musk envisions Tesla not merely as a car manufacturer, but as a leading innovator in robotics, harnessing advanced AI and automation technologies. This technological foundation is essential for the development of robots like Optimus. Optimus utilizes Tesla's battery technology to ensure high performance and durability, allowing it to operate continuously without energy disruptions. This reliability is crucial for its functionality across various applications. The integration of AI enables the robot to quickly learn and adapt based on real-world experiences, positioning it to perform increasingly complex tasks beyond mere automation. Improvements in Optimus' speed and walking dynamics indicate significant progress, with its top speed surpassing many other robots, thereby enhancing its efficiency in both industrial and domestic arenas. The robot's hands will feature 22 degrees of freedom, allowing delicate movements akin to human dexterity, which is essential for tasks that demand precision. This technology is set to transform everyday activities. Enhancements in speed and mobility are only the beginning for Optimus Gen 3, hinting at future innovations that could exceed current expectations. The potential for robotics growth is vast. Optimus Gen 3's capabilities will transcend household functions, extending to industrial applications such as assembly and product inspection, showcasing its adaptability across diverse work environments. This positions it as an invaluable tool. Optimus 3 is slated for introduction later this month, featuring significant upgrades that prioritize simple tasks over complex household chores during its initial production phases. Tesla's strategic collaboration with Chinese suppliers plays a pivotal role in establishing an efficient supply chain. This collaboration is essential for maintaining low production costs and ensuring the company's ongoing competitiveness in the market. The integration of Grok as an AI management system is set to optimize the operations of Optimus robots. This enhancement will facilitate effective task allocation and significantly improve overall manufacturing productivity. Elon Musk underscores the intricate challenge of designing a humanoid robot's hand, which necessitates multiple degrees of freedom and precise control comparable to human dexterity. Tesla's methodology encompasses the in-house design of all components, ranging from motors to sensors, primarily due to the absence of market solutions for a fully functional robotic hand. The advancement of Optimus's intelligence is built upon Tesla's pre-existing self-driving AI systems. This foundation empowers it to efficiently process extensive data and issue control commands with precision. The design of the cybercab is influenced by the understanding that over 90% of trips involve 2 or fewer passengers. This approach reflects Tesla's insight into contemporary transportation patterns. Tesla's innovative unboxed manufacturing process for the cybercab facilitates expedited assembly. By segmenting production into large modules, this method significantly diminishes the number of stations required. The 4680 battery technology signifies a notable breakthrough in lithium-ion batteries, characterized by its tabless design. This advancement enhances performance by minimizing heat generation and augmenting energy density. Initial production of the 4680 battery encountered technical challenges, notably in mastering the dry electrode process for both anode and cathode components. This complexity contributed to delays in effective production scaling. Notwithstanding these initial challenges, recent updates from Tesla reveal significant progress in battery technology, particularly with the dry electrode process now successfully implemented. This development enhances energy density while simultaneously reducing manufacturing costs. The durability of the new 4680 cells appears promising, exhibiting around 90% capacity retention after 2000 charge cycles. This characteristic is vital for prolonging the lifespan of electric vehicles and optimizing their overall value. Notably, the design enhancements of the 4680 battery, such as improved heat dissipation and increased stability during rapid charging, are critical for the performance of Tesla's long-range vehicles. These upgrades effectively address previous concerns regarding battery efficiency. Tesla's transition to smaller microfactories for battery production enables enhanced throughput and cost reduction. This strategic shift marks a significant departure from the traditional gigafactory model, thus offering competitive advantages in manufacturing. The prevailing geopolitical landscape, especially US-China trade tensions, significantly impacts Tesla's decision to produce the 4680 battery domestically. This strategy serves to mitigate potential tariffs and export restrictions that could jeopardize battery supply. Tesla aims to curtail logistics costs by situating battery plants in proximity to vehicle factories. This spatial strategy allows for swift responses to market fluctuations while lowering overall production expenses. The choice to implement the 4680 battery transcends mere cost-cutting. It is also a strategic move towards ensuring Tesla's self-sufficiency amid escalating uncertainties in the global supply chain. Tesla's strategic focus appears to lean towards the Model Y and Model 3, with indications of potentially phasing out lower-volume models such as the Model S and Model X. Giles solid-state battery technology is currently undergoing real-world testing, addressing critical challenges, including the solid-solid interface problem that has previously hindered battery performance.
This advancement may pave the way for mass production in the foreseeable future.
Conversely, Donut Lab claims to have developed a revolutionary solid-state battery featuring extraordinary specifications, including a lifespan exceeding 100 years. However, these assertions have drawn skepticism from industry experts, particularly regarding energy density and charging speeds. The competitive landscape now encompasses numerous automakers and technology firms investing in solid-state battery technologies, with ambitions for mass market readiness by 2026. This paradigm shift has the potential to redefine the future of electric vehicles, rendering traditional combustion engines obsolete. The Cybercab, engineered for rigorous environments, is scheduled for testing in Alaska, which epitomizes Tesla's commitment to refining its autonomous driving technology under challenging conditions. Musk has publicly asserted that the self-driving challenge is essentially resolved, with expectations of imminent regulatory approval for Tesla's complete self-driving system within Europe and China. The introduction of the AI-5 chip is poised to substantially enhance Tesla's computational capabilities, thereby enabling the deployment of advanced autonomous features and solidifying Tesla's standing as a leader in AI technology. The competitive dynamics within the electric vehicle market are intensifying, particularly with BYD emerging as a frontrunner. This shift compels Tesla to foster innovation and reclaim its position of market dominance. Solid-state battery technology holds paramount significance for Tesla's future, with the potential to enhance energy density and safety markedly. This innovation is likely to elevate vehicle performance and customer satisfaction. Projects such as the Tesla Cybercab and the AI-5 chip embody the company's unwavering commitment to innovation. Their successful implementation has the potential to redefine the trajectory of Tesla within the automotive industry. Optimus 3 is poised for introduction with 4 notable upgrades. However, its market availability is scheduled for next year. This timing underscores Tesla's methodical approach to advancing automation. Initially, Optimus will operate within structured factory environments, enabling it to efficiently execute repetitive tasks while simultaneously gathering crucial data for continued development. This strategic focus highlights the importance of practical implementation in robotics. In a reassuring statement, Elon Musk clarified that the introduction of Optimus will not coincide with a reduction in Tesla's workforce. Instead, it is anticipated that human productivity will increase, as employees will oversee multiple robotic units. While Chinese humanoid robots, such as Unitry, present a more cost-effective alternative, they fall short in terms of the intelligence and dexterity exhibited by Tesla's Optimus, which is specifically designed to handle heavy loads and perform tasks over extended durations. Elon Musk draws an interesting analogy between Optimus and the evolution from landline phones to smartphones, noting that although the price disparity is minimal, the functional capabilities of Optimus are significantly superior. To facilitate the creation of an effective supply chain for Optimus, Tesla has established partnerships with numerous Chinese suppliers, mirroring Apple's strategic approach to manufacturing the iPhone and ensuring the provision of high-quality components. The financial ramifications of eliminating Chinese components from the Optimus supply chain could lead to a substantial increase in production costs, thereby influencing Tesla's overall pricing strategy. This dependency poses challenges to their objective of lowering robot prices. Grok is set to function as the central AI coordinating system that oversees task management for Optimus robots, thereby optimizing production processes and resource allocation in real time. This innovative architectural design resembles traditional management hierarchies in manufacturing. Elon emphasizes the intricate challenge of replicating the human hand in robotic engineering, which necessitates multiple degrees of freedom and precise force control. Achieving this sophisticated level of dexterity is paramount for the effective functionality of Optimus. Optimus aims to produce between 5,000 and 10,000 units by 2026, a significant milestone in robotics and artificial intelligence. This ambitious production target underscores Tesla's commitment to innovation in automation. Fear of robots often stems from science fiction narratives that depict them as menacing figures. However, Tesla's bot is designed to assist rather than replace human workers, addressing many societal apprehensions regarding automation. As advancements in AI and robotics accelerate, concerns about job displacement and the evolving role of humans in the economy arise. These changes could significantly reshape societal structures and economic models. Optimus can operate continuously, providing support without breaks, which greatly enhances overall labor efficiency. This capability ultimately leads to increased productivity across various sectors. The introduction of Optimus has the potential to redefine social roles, aiming to eliminate poverty and improve healthcare access for everyone. The goal is to foster a future where labor is no longer a necessity. Elon Musk highlights that Optimus will have a human-like appearance, demonstrating significant advancements in robotics and AI technology. This design aims to mitigate public fears regarding robots. Initially, the Gen 3 model may focus on simpler tasks, such as household chores or manufacturing assistance, rather than complex medical procedures. This thoughtful approach supports safe and responsible development. Musk reiterates that Optimus is intended to assist humans, not replace them, by taking on monotonous tasks. This emphasis on collaboration is designed to enhance human productivity across various fields. Tesla's proficiency in mass production, exemplified by its gigafactories, is crucial for the efficient manufacturing of Gen 3. This capability will be vital for meeting future demands successfully. Optimus leverages Tesla's advanced battery technology for optimal performance, ensuring uninterrupted operation, which is essential for sustained work activities. By integrating Tesla's AI capabilities, Optimus can learn from real-world situations, enhancing its skills over time, much like how humans acquire knowledge. Recent upgrades to Optimus's speed and walking style indicate significant progress, making it a highly agile robot capable of navigating various environments effectively, surpassing many competitors. Tesla has improved Optimus's hands to possess 22 degrees of freedom, enabling delicate movements that resemble human dexterity. This feature is vital for tasks that require precision. The advancements in Optimus not only facilitate household tasks but also position the robot for industrial applications, such as assembly and product inspection. This versatility broadens its market potential. Future enhancements in Optimus are anticipated to transcend current capabilities, improving speed and overall functionality in diverse environments. This evolution marks a significant leap in robotics technology. The capability of Optimus to learn from videos and demonstrations facilitates its adaptation to a variety of household tasks, thereby providing considerable assistance to families. This learning ability is fundamental for effective domestic functionality. Designed to replicate human-like dexterity, Optimus demonstrates proficiency in performing delicate tasks, such as chopping vegetables and assisting individuals with mobility challenges. This level of manipulation is essential for practical applications in everyday settings. Moreover, the robot's social compatibility, which encompasses natural movements and facial expressions, enhances its suitability for caregiving roles, particularly in households housing elderly individuals or young children. In these scenarios, fostering comfort and trust is of utmost importance. Transitioning to its environmental adaptability, the robot's capacity to learn from its surroundings enables it to adjust to specific family preferences and routines, subsequently augmenting its usefulness in individual households. Additionally, water resistance stands as a critical feature, empowering the robot to function across diverse conditions, which significantly expands its operational capabilities beyond controlled indoor environments. The hands of Optimus have undergone extensive redesigns to enhance both dexterity and hygiene, rendering them particularly well-suited for tasks such as cleaning and food preparation. Optimus is strategically prioritizing applications in elderly, child and pet care, thereby addressing the growing caregiver shortages prevalent in society. This focus underscores the robot's potential to positively impact the quality of life for many families. Elon Musk envisions a future where humanoid robots become ubiquitous, positing that nearly every household will desire an Optimus to assist with daily tasks. This ambition signals a transformative shift within the realm of consumer technology. As Tesla transitions from its traditional role as an electric vehicle manufacturer to a robotics entity, this represents a bold new direction for the brand's strategic growth. This shift entails the suspension of Model S and Model X production. Substantial design revisions to Optimus have been implemented, including 4 significant updates to its hands and a renewed emphasis on human-centric features. The company remains dedicated to researching future generations of robotics. While the Fremont factory will continue vehicle production, plans are in place to repurpose certain areas for Optimus manufacturing. This transition exemplifies Tesla's commitment to advancing robotics alongside its established vehicle lineup. Anticipated enhancements in Optimus Gen 3 will encompass new features such as voice communication and advanced visual interfaces. These developments aim to bolster interaction and foster trust between humans and robots. Furthermore, the forthcoming hardware revisions in Optimus Gen 3 are poised to improve movement flexibility and efficiency, thereby enabling the execution of complex tasks with greater ease. This marks a substantial advancement in the domain of humanoid robotics. Tesla's innovations in battery technology are projected to enhance Optimus's operational duration from an average of 6 to 8 hours, potentially extending it to 12 hours. This improvement could redefine the utilization of humanoid robots. The next generation of hands on Optimus Gen 3 will incorporate up to 22 degrees of freedom, substantially increasing dexterity for tasks requiring fine motor skills.
This advancement distinguishes Tesla within the robotics sector.
Optimus will employ island-style assembly stations rather than traditional long conveyor systems, emphasizing quality assurance at every production stage to guarantee reliability. This innovative approach facilitates efficient manufacturing processes. Musk has also underscored the robot's learning capabilities, which enable it to acquire skills through observation of human actions. This feature may significantly reduce both deployment costs and time, thereby positioning Optimus distinctively compared to conventional industrial robots. The cessation of Model S and Model X production is an integral component of Tesla's strategy to refocus on robotics and autonomous technologies, reflecting a transformation in the automotive landscape. This strategic shift aligns with the company's overarching vision for enhanced productivity. Nolan Arbaugh, the inaugural human trial participant, exemplifies how the neural implant translates brain signals into digital commands, thereby enabling the control of devices solely through cognitive thought. The capacity to update the implant software non-invasively signifies a monumental advancement in medical technology, as it mitigates risks and emotional stress for patients confronting potential complications. Future developments from Neuralink may encompass dual implants, thereby establishing a digital bridge intended to circumvent spinal injuries, with the potential to restore movement for individuals affected by paralysis. The adaptability inherent in Neuralink's implants ensures their continuous improvement through software updates, thereby minimizing the necessity for additional surgical interventions and enhancing overall patient comfort. This innovation is pivotal for long-term care. Neuralink's technology empowers patients to regain control over devices using mere thought, significantly enhancing their daily lives and promoting a sense of independence. This exemplifies the vast potential of brain-computer interface technologies. Preliminary patient experiences with Neuralink have yielded promising outcomes, suggesting that the technology is capable of safely addressing challenges and improving communication for individuals grappling with paralysis or neurological disorders. The innovation of thought-controlled cursors and speech synthesis for ALS patients represents a significant breakthrough in augmenting digital autonomy and enhancing communication. This technology empowers patients who experience limited mobility. Anticipated public demonstrations will feature multi-patient collaborations, showcasing the reliability of synchronized exoskeleton control beyond 2026. This initiative aims to validate the technology's effectiveness and safety within real-world applications. Looking ahead, future endeavors may include cognitive augmentation and telepathic communication, has the potential to eliminate poverty and provide universal healthcare, dramatically reshaping human labor in ways we have yet to witness. This ambitious vision embodies a future where technology directly addresses humanity's most pressing needs. Tesla's focus on developing Optimus as a practical household assistant aims to perform essential tasks such as cleaning and cooking. This pragmatic strategy seeks to cultivate public trust in the realm of domestic robotics.